How to add products categories in hosting your website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple it is to add a product and also how to add a product category for these specific products or a bunch of products that you're going to group them in only one category into your website or your store of Hostinger. The process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the HTML or the dashboard. Once you're here, you're going to head over to the left side of the screen, click on websites. From here, click on websites list. Now, once you are on the websites list, you're going to see all the websites that you have created. Now, what are we going to do basically is to click on manage product or manage store, which is going to be the cart icon showing up. Now, once you're here, you're going to see the store manager. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to head over the settings. The settings is going to be the most important thing in here to do first because you need to add the payment methods. Because what is a website without a payment method or a store without a payment method? So you're going to give the chance for the customers to buy your specific products. Now you need to upgrade to the business plan so you can go ahead and accept payments. Then you are going to simply connect a payment method. One or two payment methods are going to be very sufficient, like Stripe and PayPal or PayPal and Paysera. Once you have did that, you're going to head over the products, add as many as you want from the products, and then you're going to have them added simply by clicking on Add Products. Select the category of the product that you want or type of the product first. For example, physical products, digital products, appointment services, and donations. So when you finish that, you're going to add the specific category by heading over the categories. Click on here and you're going to see the category. You can add a category by putting the name of the category for it. For example, let's say here, maybe footwear, or for example, footwear. Then we are going to assign the products. Click on here. You're going to see all the products that you have added, and then you can go ahead and start ticking the products that you want to see them on the or under the category of footwear. You're going to select this, and that. You're going to click on save. Here we have at least 4 products. We're going to click on save. Now, how we can find this category or the specific category into the website? We're going to click on edit website. We're going to wait for the hosting website builder to show up, and then we're going to see all the products. Now we're going to head over here. I'm going to add the specific page or a new page. I'm going to add a blank page or an empty page, and that page is going to have the specific, let's say here, section of the online store. I'm going to add here a product. Then we are going to click on edit section. For the filters, we are going to untick the show categories as filters, and then we are going to have only this category showing up. You can go ahead and have this, and also you can have here another section or a blank section, which is going to be a small section. You can add here a text to it and make the text, for example, here footwear to represent the specific section in here or the category. So basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.